Maximize your mini skid steer's potential with the R18HD Dominator Stump Grinder, the latest innovation from Reist Industries. The R18HD Dominator Stump Grinder allows you to tackle large stumps effortlessly in minutes, saving you time and effort. Perfect for landscapers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts. Based off Reist's existing Dominator Stump Grinder's design, the R18HD features a robust 18-inch rotor with indexable wear-sharp teeth that chew through wet and dry stumps with ease. An offset pin allows the unit to pivot off axis under its own weight, providing a natural sweeping motion as the power unit creeps backwards. For added protection, the unit is fitted with a fixed steel shielding to protect bystanders and the operator from debris without sacrificing visibility. And for added protection, the R18HD can be paired with the Reist's optional debris screen, keeping your work site safe, clean, and contained all day. Don't let stumps slow you down. Upgrade your mini skid steer with the R18HD Dominator Stump Grinder from Reist Industries. For more information on this product or others, visit us at reistindustries.com.